In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Jira workflow diagram. Whether you're just getting started with Jira or you've been using it for a while, understanding how to efficiently access workflow diagrams can enhance how you manage and track your projects. Now, workflows in Jira are essentially a visual representation of the progress and status an issue will go through from the moment it's created until it is finally closed. Knowing how to view these diagrams will help you better visualize the life cycle of any task or project within Jira. So, let's dive right into it. First, to access your workflow diagrams, you'll need to start by going to your work on Jira. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Jira URL. Typically, this would be something along the lines of your company's Atlassian.net address. Once you're there, log into your account if you're not already logged in. On your dashboard, you will find a menu or sidebar depending on your layout settings. Here, you'll see an option that says Your Work. Click on that, and it will take you to your personal workspace where all your activities are tracked and managed. Next, you'll want to select the project you're interested in. Within the Your Work section, there may be a list of various projects you are involved in, or you might need to navigate to a specific area where projects are listed. If you don't see the project list immediately, look around for tabs or links labeled with terms like projects or all projects. Once you have access to the list, scroll through and select the project whose workflow diagram you need to view. Selecting a project here essentially takes you deeper into its specific settings and tools. Now, with your project open, it's time to click on Issues. The Issues tab is essential in Jira as it neatly organizes every ticket, task, or bug related to your selected project. It often lies within the top menu or on the sidebar depending on your Jira version or custom setup. By clicking on Issues, you will access a comprehensive list of all that needs to be addressed within the project. This page is your gateway to managing and discovering the individual elements that make up your project's work. The next step is to locate a particular issue. When you open the Issues tab, you'll be presented with a list of all the current issues logged in that specific project. It will typically show basic details such as the summary, the type of issue, the status, and who it is assigned to. Scroll through this list to find the specific issue for which you want to view the workflow diagram. Once you find it, click on it to open the issue detail view. With the issue open, you're now one step away from accessing the workflow diagram. Within the issue detail view, you significantly increase your control and insight as more detailed information is presented here along with various options and actions you can take. Look for an option that says View Workflow. This link may be located near the status label of the issue or somewhere within the options menu. When you click on View Workflow, you'll be triggered to view a flexible diagram that lays out all the transitions and statuses associated with the life cycle of the issue. And there you have it. Once the workflow diagram appears, you'll see all current and possible transitions the issue can undergo mapped out clearly. This visualization is crucial for identifying possible bottlenecks and ensuring your tasks and projects are on the desired course. Take some time to familiarize yourself with this view. You might notice transitions like in progress or done linked through arrows, usually indicating direction can lead to such stages. This insight allows you to understand better how tasks are flowing within your team, identify any potential for optimizing the flow, and ensure your project is moving smoothly. Remember, different Jira projects might have distinct workflow configurations determined by the administrators or set at the beginning of your project setup, so anticipate variations in the workflow diagrams depending on the configuration. Before concluding, here are a few resources and tips to enhance your experience with Jira workflows. If you're having trouble locating your workflow diagram or any other issue within Jira, don't hesitate to consult your company's Jira administrator. They can provide insights specific to your setup. Moreover, Atlassian, the company behind Jira, offers various detailed guides and community forums that can further assist you with any deeper configurations or troubleshooting you might require. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful, empowering you to better manage your project tasks by accessing workflow diagrams. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy project managing with Jira.